Welcome to Native Batiks. First of all, let's find out who is Native Batik. Native Batik is a business that sells batik-related designs and apparel products online and locally to customers through delivery. Our company has been operating since October 15, 2020, and our main and primary objective is to provide our products to the customer to satisfy his or her needs to the maximum. Due to the difficulty of doing this work under the steps taken in traditional batik art, and it takes a lot of effort and time, this art is gradually fading away. But there is a huge demand for these related designs not only locally but also abroad, and there is no production in our country to meet that demand. The main reason for this is that modern technology is not used for this batik art. This is the main reason why our business is different from other businesses. Now we are going to explain about it. Batik is an ancient fabric wax-resist dyeing tradition of Java, Indonesia. The art of batik is most highly developed and some of the best batiks in the world are still made there. In Java, all the materials for the process are readily available: cotton and beeswax and plants from which different vegetable dyes are made. Indonesian batik predates written records. G.P. Rufar argues that the technique might have been introduced during the 6th or 7th century from India or Sri Lanka. Using hot wax, draw a pattern on the cotton cloth. Batik designs are made by dipping them in the dye solution. The more colors in the design, the more this process has to be repeated. Finally, the wax is removed by rinsing in hot water. Because all these steps are labor and time dependent, only a limited number of products are released to the market. To expand our business, we have to solve these problems. For that, we have developed a full waxing machine for the first time and have already prepared plans to use CNC technology for other processes. What is this CNC technology? When a CNC system is activated, the desired drawings are programmed into the software and dictated to corresponding tools and machinery, which carry out the dimensional tasks as specified. Much like a robot. In CNC programming, the code generator within the numerical system will often assume mechanisms are flawless, despite the possibility of errors. Which is greater whenever a CNC machine is directed to draw in more than one direction simultaneously. The placement of a tool in a numerical control system is outlined by a series of inputs known as the part program. With a numerical control machine, programs are inputted via punch cards. By contrast, the programs for CNC machines are fed to computers through small keyboards. CNC programming is retained in a computer's memory. The code itself is written and edited by programmers. Due to this, the time and labor required for the production process can be reduced by 200%, and it is our expectation to increase the profit of the company. And because of this, it is possible to maintain the product quality at a very high level. In conclusion, we can introduce the technology used for our business to other businesses in the future and popularize the Sri Lankan batik art in other countries as well.